If you're a real estate investor, you have probably been hesitant about doing construction projects because of not only the high construction cost, but also the ensuing increase in property taxes that occurs when you make significant improvements to a property. Well, today we're going to talk about the Lerta program and how that can benefit you as a real estate investor. Guys, this is Naomi Brown here at Capstone Commercial, and Lerta is a tax abatement program in Pennsylvania that exists to encourage revitalization and redevelopment when new construction in certain areas where local governing bodies deem that it's going to be worthwhile and beneficial to the community. So through an application process, an investor can submit to the local taxing authority an application that shows what improvements they're going to make, or if it's a new construction project, what building they're going to place. And then the taxing authorities review the application, and if it conforms to the requirements that they've set forth, they will approve a tax abatement that can vary in form, but typically is for 10 years on the value of improvements. So the exact terming and timing depends on the municipality, but some municipalities will say you'll have 100% abatement for the first year, and then the second year you'll have 90%, and then the third year 80%, and so forth, so that the increase in assessment is phased in gradually. Other municipalities might say that it's a 100% abatement for 10 years. But what they do have in common is that it's over 10 years and it's on the value of improvements. So you would still pay taxes on either the land or on the former improvements that you have, but the increase in value in the improvements that you make are able to benefit from the tax abatement. So the properties that qualify could be commercial, they could be multifamily, they could be a lot of different projects, and it can really be a lot of different areas. It doesn't have to necessarily be an inner city region. There's a lot of communities that have Lerta programs and might be able to offer this as a benefit to investors to revitalize the community. One of the benefits that this offers you as an investor is the fact that not only do you get better net operating income, but because property taxes are such a significant increase to the expenses on a property, without higher property taxes, you may be able to get greater loan proceeds for your project, which then reduces the cash out of pocket that you need, and in turn can make the project more viable from an economic standpoint as well. So I hope that this video brought you some value. If so, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you're looking for investments within Pennsylvania or Maryland, please reach out to us. We're happy to help.